front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner, and first of all, to add and beforehand record an audio file, you need to select audio section here. After you click on it, you have to start talking right away because recording will be on automatically. When you're done recording your message, click on this button at the bottom right corner. Now to listen to it, click on play button. To discard it, click on X1, and to send it right away, click on this green one at the bottom right corner as well. If you want to add a video file, you can click on camera to record it. Then click on top right corner to add it to your message right away. Click on top left one to retake it, or click on this one at the bottom right one to send it. If you want to add already existing video, click on the same plus. Select photos over here. Look for your video and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!